Here we have the total cost for a firm, and we are asked to calculate the marginal cost of the third unit of output. So there's two ways to do that. The first way is to use calculus, and the second way is to use a discrete definition of the marginal cost. So first, let's use calculus. First way, calculus. So to do that, you need to know that the marginal cost is the derivative of the total cost. And you know that it is 0.5 plus Q. So once you have this marginal cost curve, you just need to replace Q by 3 and you get 3.5. So if you look at the possible answer, the nearest answer is A. So now let's use a discrete definition of the marginal cost. So the marginal cost for a quantity of 3 is the additional cost when you move from a quantity of 2 to a quantity of 3. So it is total cost when you produce 3 minus total cost when you produce 2. And we have that the total cost for 3 is equal to 200 plus 0.5, 3 plus 3 to the power 2. And the total cost for quantity of 2 is 200 plus 0.5, 2 plus 2 to the power 2. So now you just need to make the difference. Okay, so the 200 cancel out, and you have 0.5 multiplied by 3 plus 9 minus 2 minus 4, which gives exactly 3. Okay, so again we find our answer A. So here the question is, what is the fixed cost facing by the firm? So the fixed cost is the cost that doesn't depend on the quantity produced, so you just need to look at the equation. So this is our fixed cost because it doesn't depend on Q, and this is our variable cost. So the answer is D. So the key difference between perfect competition and monopolistic competition are what? So the first possibility is marginal cost pricing versus markup. So if we consider perfect competition, we know that price is equal to marginal cost. So this is marginal cost pricing. And under monopolistic competition, we have price higher than marginal cost. And this difference, price minus marginal cost, is called the markup. Okay, so answer A is fine. Let's look at answer B, efficient scale versus excess capacity. So we know that under perfect competition in the long run, the price is such that it is equal to the minimum average total cost. Okay, and this is the efficient scale. Efficient scale. Under monopolistic competition, we know that in the long run, the price is equal to ATC, not the minimum ATC, but only ATC. And that's why we call that excess capacity, because ATC will be higher than the minimum ATC in this case. Okay, so the firm is not producing enough to reach the efficient scale, and we call that excess capacity. So B is also okay. Now C, identical product. Yes, we know that. And slightly differentiated product. Okay, differentiation. Okay, so it seems like A, B, C are all true. So the answer is D.